Multiply 999 by 98 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Put 2 in this column and carry 7. 8 times 9 plus the carried 7 is 79. Put 9 in this column and carry 7. 8 times 9 plus the carried 7 is 79. The first partial product is 7,992. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 9 is 81. Put 1 in this column and carry 8. 9 times 9 plus the carried 8 is 89. Put 9 in this column and carry 8. 9 times 9 plus the carried 8 is 89. The second partial product is 89,910. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 9 plus 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 9 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 7 plus 9 plus the carried 1 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 8 plus the carried 1 is 9. The whole negative number product is 97,902. So 999 times 98 is 97,902.